it has been moved that the bill to establish an effective system of protection, relief and rehabilitation of women, men, transgender children and any vulnerable person against domestic violence, the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Bill 2025 as passed by the National Assembly and Senate and returned by the President be taken into consideration at once under Clause 2 of Article 75 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, motion is adopted. The bill is taken up clause by clause. The question is that Clause 2 do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, Clause 2 do stand part of the bill. There are two amendments in Clause 3. First amendment in the name of Dr. Sharmila Farooqi Sahaba. Second amendment in the name of Senator Kamran Murtaza and Alia Kamran Sahaba. Sharmila Farooqi Sahaba to move the amendment.
Sir, I rise to move that in the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Bill 2025, as passed by the National Assembly and the Senate and returned by the President in Clause 3, for the expression emotional, psychological, sexual and economic, the expression psychological and sexual shall be substituted, and in the explanation 1 in Clause C, the expression emotional shall be omitted, and in subclause 9, after the semicolon, the word and shall be added. In Clause D, for the semicolon and the word and occurring at the end, the full stop shall be substituted, and Clause E shall be omitted.
जी मिनिस्टर साहब डी ओपोज
सर सिर्फ पहले इतना बता दूं कि इस डोमेस्टिक बिल में वायलेंस के बिल में पहली दफ़ा मर्दों को भी शामिल किया गया, क्योंकि जितने मजलूम ये हैं सर सहते भी हैं, कुछ कहते भी नहीं, और पहली दफ़ा डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के बिल में शामिल किया गया है और इस अमेंडमेंट को मैं अपोज नहीं कर रहा सर।